Hello everybody. Today we're going to showcase the installation process for our no-drill cellular shades. The package will come with the no-drill cellular shade, the installation instruction QR code guide, a screwdriver, the cover clip, batteries, and the remote control. The shade comes with soft rubber pads on either end. The left side is solid versus the right side, which has a compressible spring, and it also has an access port to lock the shade in place. The left rubber pad gets pressed against the inside of the frame like so, and the top rubber gasket is compressed against the ceiling. As the left side is being held inside the frame, gently press this pad in, push the shade inwards until the pad makes contact with the inner surface, and gently press the shade back to get the desired depth. And a gentle push to the top would ensure the rubber seal is pressed. Minor adjustments can be made on either side to make sure that the rubber gasket is fully compressed against the ceiling. Once the shade is installed and the level on both sides is corrected, we can use our included screwdriver and insert it into the front slot, like so, on the right side of the shade. We can give the screwdriver about 3 to 4 turns until we start to feel a strong resistance. Once the resistance is felt, the shade is fully secured and the screwdriver can be removed. Now we can use the included cover clip to conceal the opening. For shades that are wider than 60 inches, it's recommended to take the screwdriver and put it in the front slot. Press the right pad and gently press the shade in. Before leaving the shade under its own weight, it's recommended to give a few turns, which increases the strength of the system to hold the weight of the shade up. Minor adjustments can be made at this point. Once the desired position is reached, with another few turns until resistance is met, the shade is fully installed. Now that the shade is up, we can put the batteries in a remote to have it fully operational. If your shade does not have internal battery, now is a good time to power your shade up either through an external battery or a plug-in transformer. The wires should be connected like so, and you will see the shade jog once. If your shade has internal battery, the shade should be ready to use.